आमचे रोजरी कॉलेजीच वयर ह्या दिसांनी एक व्हिडिओ भोंवता ते जायते जाणांनी पयला आसतले पयले सुद्दां तरी खरेंच एक दुखाची गजाल की असले व्हिडिओ करून घालप आनी कॉलेजीचें नांव पिड्यार करप हें खूब चुकीचें. दुसऱ्या अर्थान आमी एक सिस्टम हांगासर अदीक शिस्त हाडपा खातीर to instill discipline in the children and especially the value of punctuality of being on time for college. After seeing that children are under normal circumstances, some of them are regularly late for school, and that we will take some action. And this action we had already told the parents when we were having the orientation program, and we had explained to them, and all the parents and all had no objection because they had accepted this, because this was in turn done with the intention of those who are coming late, even after 15 minutes once the college starts to college, that we would charge 50 rupees. And this we started recently. We saw that in the month of June when the college started, okay, we tolerated it to some extent. Then there was rainfall and we could excuse them. And then once this whole thing was over, there were some students who were regularly late. And in order to instill discipline and the value of punctuality, which is needed very much in life, we started. And with this introduction of this charging, what had happened was most of them, around 80 to 90%, were on time. So there were basically very few who used to come late. But unfortunately, this was misused. And this is done basically with some malafide intention, we know. And वाईट मनान केला, बरे मन असले जाल्यार तो गोडे मनीस आमच्याकडे विचारून येतलो असलो, कितें करतलो असलो. आणि वो सर्क्युलेट केला. आज सोशल मिडियावर असले प्रचार जाता आणि खूप वाईट जाता. देखून पळयतल्यांनी हाचो एके भाशेन दुरुपयोग करचो न्ही आनी ते सारखे मनान ते पळोवचें म्हण आमची मागणी जावन आसा.
Now, as mentioned by our administrator, Father Gabriel, we have started charging fine for the students because many of them were coming late. And this was also told to the students along with their parents for the orientation, when I have given them the orientation. And till the end of June, we tolerated. And then afterwards, we said many students, without giving proper justification, like silly excuses like got up late, or say parents have dropped me late. This silly excuses, we said we cannot accept this. And then we started implementing the fine which was told to the students at the beginning of the year. And the security was made to collect this fine. And the students had to write their name and sign on that paper and give that money to the security. And the security was to collect the money for that particular day and hand it over to the office account section. And we used to issue a receipt for that particular day. We did not give a receipt to an individual student because our plan, which was not told to the students, was to refund the money later when the things improves. And within a few days, we saw that the number of students coming late substantially dropped down. And it came to such an extent that the number of students coming late became zero. And then we revised our policy. We said now nobody is coming late, so we stopped collecting fine. And we even refunded the money to the students from whom we have collected this fine. And the main purpose of this particular step was to have discipline in the campus, and the students should not miss lecture. That was the purpose of it. Because university rule also says that if students don't maintain mandatory 75% attendance, then they cannot be allowed to answer the semester end exam. And if they miss classes because of coming late, then definitely they will have an impact on their attendance, overall attendance for the semester. So our step is going to help our students only to maintain discipline in the campus, at the same time to maintain that 75% attendance for that particular semester.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.